Okay, well, we have 3 babies, all from the same brood, and you can see they've hatched at different times because they vary in size. And they're a little bit hungry, so I feed them with my own recipe. It's a mixture of Cerelac, bird food, bird pellets, and baby food, the jars of baby food for human babies, because you can't get baby bird food out here. And I've brought maybe 12 or 15 cockatiel chicks up with this recipe, so I know it works. Now, because of the makeup of the tubes, one for breathing and one going into their stomach, well, into their sac, you do have to be careful. I lost a bird a year or so ago by basically being too quick, pushing the food in the mouth too quick, and it went down the wrong hole. It was very sad because it was almost fledging. There's a bit of a technique involved, getting it in on the right hand side of the beak so that the food goes over to the left hand side and down the right tube. And by holding them like this, I can actually feel their crop under here filling up with food. I can tell when they've had enough. And this bobbing of the head, they synchronise that with the parents when the parents are feeding them. Amazing to watch. But the parents of these birds, they like laying eggs, but they don't like taking care of the babies. And in the past we lost quite a few, leaving it up to the mum and dad to bring them on. So now they get to about 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and I bring them out and hand feed them. And it's going to be a little bit messy. Come on then. I always feed them in order. She's beautiful, this one, isn't she? I think it's female. Oh, come on then, you baby, yeah. And like all animals, they're all individuals. They feed differently, different noises. Do a little bit and have a breath. Come on then. Yeah. We'll do it in a couple of stages. Yes, I know. Oh, little dragons. Yeah. And now for Tissue, you can see, look at this one. Sees the runt as a littler compared to his bigger brother here. But in the nest box, he'd probably die, or she'd probably die, because it wouldn't be getting food. The stronger ones getting most of the food. A natural selection in a kind of way, but and bring them on. Yeah. If you don't give them regular cleans, by the time they get to fledglings, they've got like whiskers of dried, caked food around their beak. The small one takes it very slowly. There we go. There we go. Fill up the syringe again. This is what I've made. With pellets for, food pellets for a minor bird actually. Along with Cerelac with no salt or sugar in. And baby food which is fruit based. And particularly apple. Apple is very good because the acidity in the apple helps them clear their crop completely, so there's no food that hangs around and festers or ferments. And I make this up fresh every time. back there. Look. Still not full. This one will take a full syringe. Okay. Surprising how big that sack can get. And at the moment they're fed every 3 or 4 hours. Pretty close now. I'll give another one later. Come on, number 2. This one nearly falls over backwards. Look at that. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Okay, he's coming. No. There we go. And this bobbing of the head just helps the food get down, not only down the right tube, but actually into the sack. It sort of pumps it down. And it's not good to try and feed them if they're not actually doing this head pumping thing, because it can all go wrong. Yeah, that's 70%. Don't want air in there. Oops. Okay, little one. Come on. Not too bad. Some people would complain because I'm using the same syringe to feed all 3. Well, talk about cross-contamination, bacteria and things. Well, I've never had a problem. Are we full? Whoops. Are we full yet? Are we? Look at that. That moaning you might be able to hear in the background is Matty. Our big parrot is outside and he's moaning because he's out by himself. I think you're pretty well full there. Right, number 2. Let's check it. A bit more. Oh, it's number 3. Come on. Okay, and there we have it. There's the 3 young ones. And they'll try and feed off each other now, like. And that'll do for 3 hours. 3-4 hours. There we go. They're so ugly, only a mother could love them.